Over the course of 2020, Hayden Beverage Company was experiencing rapid growth. With that growth came the need to renovate and expand their warehouse, which just so happens to be Red-Built's legacy company former headquarters. Originally, Hayden's plan was for the expansion to match the building's existing roof framing. There was just one problem. The original warehouse was built with a less common design than modern wood frame structures, meaning the project would be more complex and expensive than Hayden Beverage had budgeted for. So Hayden called Red-Built. After a visit to the job site, Red-Built had an idea. By utilizing a beam supported by columns concealed with product shelves, Red-Built was able to reduce the open web truss span. This solution virtually cut the cost of the expansion in half, saving Hayden Beverage nearly $500,000. With material prices continuing to rise, it's more important than ever for customers to understand all of their possibilities when it comes to completing their projects within budget. A trusted, experienced partner like Red-Built can make it easier, working with you and your construction team to uncover creative solutions.